back to Tesla Super Destinations, where we review Tesla Supercharger and destination chargers for you. Today's adventure will take us to the Supercharger at Fremont, Tesla Factory. Let's get charged up.
This is Blue Leader, and we're here at the Fremont, California Tesla Factory, where there is a total of 12 Superchargers. Now, right behind me, they're unloading a brand new Model Y.
One full star for 12 Superchargers rated at 250 kV 24/7. One full star for bathrooms 70 feet away inside the showroom, dedicated and clean. One full star for safety, well-lit outdoor parking. No stars for food and beverage. There may be possible food trucks depending on the time of day, possible coffee in the showroom, and the nearby waiting room. You're better off bringing your own food and beverage. One full star for cool factor. Make sure you sign up, Tesla owners, for Tesla Factory Tours. Reserve via email, one word, factorytours@tesla.com. FACTORYTOURS @tesla.com. The Fremont Tesla Factory Supercharging Station gets a 4.0 TSD rating. Non-rated noteworthy mentions. This is where the best California American car is made. Make sure you get a photo op of you and your car supercharging beneath the Tesla signage on the factory above the Superchargers. 0.7 miles from the 880 freeway, take the Fremont exit.
What's your first name?
I'm Dean, this is Consuelo.
Okay, what do you like about supercharging here at the Fremont plant?
Well, it's where the car came from, for one. Number two, it's 250 kilowatt charger, so it's just faster that way.
How fast are we talking about? In terms of time?
Like an hour?
Less than an hour,
No.
about 45 minutes.
45 minutes, an hour.
You know, thereabouts. To get us to what we need, maybe a half an hour.
Very good. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you later!